Intellimeter is a smart electric management system with a built-in app. So how does it work? We can implement Intellimeter into any distribution panel in any building, just like this building right now. So when it's connected to the grid, there's an AI that can give suggestions on how to save electricity.
Project Oasis po is an innovative take as a solution po that aims to remediate oil spill crisis and micro and macroplastic contamination that happens in the coast of Oriental Mindoro.
Our winning innovation is Tompose, an automated agricultural waste compost processor. It is a device that aims to help farmers, especially who deal with agricultural waste brought by oversupply. So it repurposes this agricultural waste into something better, such as compost, biochar, bioenergy, and many more.
So using the design thinking process, we first empathize with our community members and see like what do they really need and what are their main concerns when it comes to electricity.
Not only did the recent oil spill crisis spike the interest of this study, it is also how it tremendously affected local fisher folks and local communities along the shorelines of Mindoro.
We had to empathize what was really the problem in our community. And we noticed that farmers were dealing with such a big problem here in agricultural waste.
I think my proudest moment was when we were presenting in front of the judges, because all of our time and effort was all for that moment itself. I'm proud that we were able to show our invention or our innovation to them.
It would also be our win as second place. This wasn't an easy journey given that we're from Oriental Mindoro.
My proudest moment is that we have bonded together as a team. Through thick and thin, we were still together.
I think I can speak for the team that we are very grateful for, of course, our school that provided us with the help, the teachers and staff, our coach, Sir Bryle, and of course, the mentor given by Samsung.
I am thankful for my team, Cedric Rivera, Alyssa Cudal, and Alia K. Alejandro, and our mentor, Jerickson Chua. And of course, our family who has supported us and the teachers who have also supported us.
I am most thankful for my team, Project Oasis, because without them, this wouldn't be possible. And also to our advisor, Ma'am Karen Clyde, and to our mentor, Sir Maki, and also to our principal, because without the help of all these people, it wouldn't be possible in accomplishing this achievement and milestone for us.
Since Tompose is not a static project, it can continuously improve. We would definitely think many more ways on how to improve the project, especially to help farmers.
We're aiming to reach a wider recipient and not only limit our project in Oriental Mindoro, but also in Philippines.
We would want to continue this project. There were many suggestions given by the judges, and I think we would want to implement that because it would really help the innovation succeeding in giving its fullest potential.
If you are interested with innovation and applying your skills and the knowledge you have gained in school in trying to help our community, join Solve for Tomorrow.
So as soon as now, think or find of a local problem, find an innovative solution that would fill that gap. If you make it here, do not think of the recognition, but rather think of how your study will impact those that you aim to help.
I think you should give Solve for Tomorrow a try. It has given us a platform where we could share our innovation, and it really hits different when you know that you're contributing to society. And we hope that we have and we can inspire young innovators in our country.